using the brake caliper paint from Foliatec in GT Blue to paint the brake calipers of the F36. Hey, and welcome to this video. This time we're changing the tires and painting the brake calipers of the BMW F36. Here are some shots without the paint. What do we need? A car jack and tools to remove the wheel. The first step is jacking up the car and removing the wheel. This one was a little bit stuck. The next step is preparing for the wheel change and for the painting by cleaning the surfaces. The Foliatec set already includes a wire brush, so you can use it. My next step was to mix the two components of the paint together, but my recommendation is to do this before the cleaning because it needs 15 minutes to be ready to paint. Also, all needed tools and the brush is also included in the set. While I was waiting for the paint to get ready, I was cleaning the brake with the brake cleaner. After 15 minutes, we are able to start to paint. We must take care not to get paint on any moving parts or the brakes itself. Repeating the painting for a second layer before assembling the wheel. So, what do you think of the color? Does it match? Next up is the front brake caliper. Cleaning it up with the brake cleaner after it was prepared with the wire brush. The paint is paintable for 2 hours, so don't rush anything. Try applying a thin first layer so that the second layer is used only to smooth out any unevenness. After mounting the wheel, the front caliper looks like this. What do you say? And here are some shots after painting all brake calipers. What do you say? Was it worth the work? After waiting for some hours, around 4, I was able to drive the car again. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.